that they hid under legal terms like that which was born in your communication, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Standing Order number 23, if you read it carefully, and I've read it up to the end, we are engaged in what Shakespeare would call too much ado about nothing. Mr. Speaker, once you have received communication of the changes from the minority, the standing orders do not require you to do anything. All you are required to do is to receive. And I've read that Standing Order number 23, and I heard the chair legal saying that there's an element of communication. It is not there. There's no communication. Communication could probably be for pecuniary reasons, Mr. Speaker. We acknowledge that the current whip has staff. The current whip has got certain benefits. The current whip has got accommodation and office, and there has to be order in the manner in which that transition happens. And Mr. Speaker, on the minority side, I believe that that order and respect must be observed, because the people working for the current whip can easily work for the next whip. The office or the benefits the current whip is enjoying must be dealt with in a manner that does not leave her feeling like she's being crucified by this house. Mr. Speaker, we have a de facto whip on this side and a de jure whip on this side. You can be legal but illegitimate. And Mr. Speaker, that's why in our weekend rallies, and the leader of my majority got us wrong. We are saying, yes, William Ruto is the legitimate president, but he is illegitimate in our eyes. The matter of legitimacy was dealt with at the Supreme Court. The matter of illegitimacy is upon us. Mr. Speaker, you can have a legal child, but that child is legitimate. So, even on our side, there is nothing that stops Senator Ledamo Lekina from assuming the duties of the whip. All we need from Mr. Speaker is your communication or the communication of the clerk to ensure that there's a proper and orderly handing over. And I want to urge the new office bearers that those staff you're going to find in those offices, treat them well. Finally, Mr. Speaker, we are watering down this Senate. This is our second session. We have not processed any single private member's bill. My bill is on the order paper. Release us so that we can start discussing issues. And Mr. Speaker, if you observed, the president went for the induction of the National Assembly. He sent Gachagua to the induction of the Senate. That tells you where the government of today puts the Senate in the pecking order. The president took time to be with governors in Naivasha, and he sends Riggy to be with senators. That is a position that we are putting